Hi, my name is Angel from Angel Wong's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean the Ninja Cold Press Juicer. Ninja's cold press juice technology slowly crushes and squeezes fruits and vegetables into beautiful, vibrant juice so you can easily enjoy delicious juice at home. Plus, cleaning is a breeze. Everything except for the motor base can go directly into the dishwasher. Once you're done juicing, close the anti-drip lever to reduce dripping from the unit, then remove the pulp container and discard the pulp or save it for a different recipe. You can find recipes not only for the juices but also for the pulp as well directly in the inspiration guide that came with your cold press juicer. Then place both the pulp container and juice jug directly in the dishwasher. To disassemble the unit, press and hold the release button while turning the feed chute chamber clockwise to remove it from the motor base. Then bring the feed chute chamber over to the sink. This ensures you don't get any leftover juice or pulp on your counters. Once at the sink, twist off the pulp spout and remove the filter. Gently rinse the filter and spout under running water. This will help to flush out leftover buildup from juicing. Then remove the auger. This is also the perfect time to use this cleaning brush that came with your cold press juicer. Use the tapered end of the cleaning brush to push any pulp out of this pulp spout and filter mesh. Then use the bristle side to clean the body of the filter and the auger. Feel free to put the parts in the dishwasher for a deep clean. If you don't have a dishwasher or prefer to hand wash, separate all the parts and wash in warm soapy water with a soft cloth. You can then use the double-sided cleaning brush for those hard to reach places and excess residue. Thoroughly rinse and air dry all parts. Looking for more inspiration, tips, and tricks? Visit us at ninjakitchen.com.